Hey guys, welcome back. Another short video today. In this video, I'm going to be fixing the emblem on the back of my car, which wasn't installed quite right, and it's been driving me crazy. So let's go take it off and check it out. Hey guys, so yeah, in today's video, I'm back in the auto amateur garage. I'm busy tinkering around with my car. Somebody pointed out the other day, I think it was either Ben or Clay when I went driving, that they thought maybe that the lettering on the back of my car wasn't quite right. And actually a few of the people watching my videos have also commented the same. So since discovering that, the OCD sort of, demon inside me has been thinking about it constantly. And given I'm going on a drive this Saturday with a bunch of the Porsche and Pancakes crew, which I'm really looking forward to, there should be about 20 or more of us, hopefully. I just wanted to get it right. So it's a very easy job, but it's a bit fiddly. Now, usually for removing emblems, I would use a heat gun first. Usually for emblems, I would use either fishing line or dental floss to remove the emblems. And I can still do that here with my wrap, but I've got to be very careful. But once you take the emblems off, the backing tape that's on the back of the emblems that holds them onto the car is usually left behind. Now, with a paint job, what I would usually do is get my heat gun on a low setting, warm up the adhesive that's been left over, and then sort of peel it off. But because my car's wrapped, I'm very wary of putting any heat on it at all. I don't want it to, sort of ripple. I don't want to damage the finish. It could damage the shine, make it look different to the rest of the car. So I'm having to do it without heat today, which means using basically patience and some form of lubrication. Now, I'm not using a solvent such as Goo Gone, which would also work really well for this if it was on paint. Instead, I'm using a couple of products. I'm using the Ammo, I think it's called the E-Froth or the Froth E-Wash, which is like a waterless wash. So I've got a concentrated dose of that, which I've let sit on the letters first so that the material can kind of soak it up. And then I've sort of rubbed that down. And then as I'm very carefully peeling off the letters, I'm using the Chemical Guys wrap detailer. So it helps take gunk off the wrap and helps to clean it, but without actually affecting and damaging the surface. So that's the plan. It's, like I say, pretty straightforward, very fiddly to get off, and then it's gonna be even fiddlier to get back on. Because I either spend another $80 or $90 on a new Porsche logo, which comes with sticky backs on already. You just peel them off, line it up, stick it on. Where I'm gonna start with my letters that I've just taken off, and I've bought some 3M automotive tape, which is gonna work just as well. But the thing is, I've gotta cut out the letters, which is a bit fiddly, or at least enough to go on the back of the letters so they'll sit flush. And then I'm gonna put some blue tape up, I'm gonna sort of measure it out, plan it out, and then get it stuck on. So that's the job. Let's get to it. Kind of fun for a late afternoon project, I guess. Let's go check it out. Well guys, that's about it for another job. That was a lot of fun. The most enjoyable thing about that whole project was actually peeling off the blue tape once I put the Porsche logo on, and then peeling it off again once I put the 911 logo on. The most frustrating part of that job was trying to get the red plastic off the back of the 3M automotive adhesive tape. My God, that probably took me the most amount of time proportionally for the whole of this job. But I think it looks a lot better now. The lettering is as per the back of other 911s. I've measured them and that all sits fine. The 911 I had to eyeball, but as I was doing it, I had a photo up next to me and I made sure that the letters were sort of topped and tailed with the blue masking tape, which was also leveled with the spirit level. So 95%, 96% confident that the 911 is right. And the Porsche lettering on the back, like I say, is spec now, or near enough. But that was a lot of fun. I'm now good to go for Saturday's Porsche and Pancakes drive. And that's it for another video. Happy quarantine. Hope you're staying safe, if that even is appropriate. Hope everybody's staying safe and healthy and keeping your minds busy. I'm clearly doing this outside of work and dad life to keep myself from going absolutely bonkers. I'll see you in another video soon. Take care. Bye.